Garbage disposal dead? Don't panic. Red button popped? That's your electric reset. Humming electric but stuck? Allen wrench frees the jam. Saved yourself a service call. Garbage disposal not running? Don't worry. Let me show you how to bring it back. Underneath, you'll see the small red button. It's the safety reset. Press it in till you feel it click. In the center, there's a hex-shaped hole. Slide in a 1/4-inch Allen wrench, turn the wrench gently back and forth. You're freeing the impellers inside. Keep